Hi guys, I'm here at Family Dollar and I want to do a quick little walkthrough to see if they have anything different. Here is the USA wall right here. A lot of cute little outdoor decor right here. Cute. Okay, and these items here, they're in my last Family Dollar video if you all want to see it, a little bit more. Okay, over here I see some cute little wood items. Here's the Hello Summer sign here. So cute. You have the round one here for $3. And they have the square one here, or rectangular, for $3. They have this one here for $1. So cute. And that one has the watermelon and the pineapple on it. $1. What is this here? Okay, this one has just the ice cream cone for $1. They have the paper lanterns here in pink and in yellow. They are only $1. Nice. And they also have this tablecloth here for $1. Nice. Okay, and plenty of paper plates and napkins down here for $1. Cute, cute. Okay. They still have these nice tumblers here for $3 right here. I like these as well. These are what? Is it 3 or 5? Okay, I think it's 5. And these are 6 right here. Okay. Oh, look who's graduating. So cute. It's $5 for this little puppy here. Oh, so cute. They have plenty of the graduation items right here for $1. The tissue paper and danglers, bags. Yeah. A few plates and napkins, all for $1. They also have the graduation cards here for $1. Graduation of 2022. Can't beat it. Okay. These are cute. This metal frame art here. Huh. This one up here is $8 bucks. Okay, it's different. Cute little pink steak right here. These are, let's see, they're $5. Okay, that blue is really pretty. Okay, let's move on. Let's see what else they have in here. Cute little floor lamp right there for $15. Oh, this is cute. This little gold decorative piece here. Is that $10? Yeah, that's cute. Oh, did I show it to you guys? Let me give you a good view of it. There you go. Pretty nice. And these pictures are cute. This one right here is 10. 10 for this one. 10 for that one. And this one is 10. It says, family rules. Stay humble, show kindness, count blessings, hug often, forgive always, laugh daily, work hard, and love forever. Now that is cute for $10. Okay. Oh, this is cute too. I like that. Cute little sign for the bathroom. They're $5. These over here. $5. Okay. If you guys enjoy my video, I would appreciate it if you give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you like the content that I put out, that'll let YouTube know that you guys want to see more of me. And I appreciate that. Okay, these baskets here that says stuff and things, they are that's $6.50 and this one says $8.50. Okay, I think they may be different sizes, guys. Okay, let's move along. Okay, this table here is $15. Very good deal. Okay, this is a bathroom bathroom space saver. Okay, this is $28. You can fix your house up in here. Okay, this is a corner shelf here, a 4-tier corner shelf. Maximum weight is 25 pounds. And I think the price is $35, guys. I think it is. Okay. And back here, they have cute little baskets. I haven't seen this color this year. This is cute. For, what is it, 3? Yes. And this one here is 3 as well. And they do have it in the blue right here. Okay. They have these brown baskets here. These right here, these are $8, the big ones. And they do have the little hold where you can hold, where you can hold it. These are a little bit smaller here for $7. And as we go down, these are $5. Okay. Pretty deep. Oh yeah, this one is really deep. Okay. And they also have these little containers here. What do you call these? The little 3-drawer. Oh. Okay. $22, guys. This is what I'm trying to show you. Let me get a good picture. There you go. Those are very versatile. You can use these in your bedroom, your bathroom, or anywhere you need to store something. Okay. I hope you guys are having a pretty good day. If not, I hope that it gets better for you. Okay. We still have plenty of fans here. I covered these in the last haul. They're $20. Okay. These insulated totes right here, they are $3. Not bad. These coolers here, they're $22. Good deal. Okay. Y'all hear my shoes flopping? It's me. Let's see what else they have in the good old Family Dollar here. Let's see if they have any deals on their laundry detergent. Okay. Oh my goodness. Really? Guys, you see the sensors on this stuff? Oh my goodness. They have sensors on all of this stuff. Oh my goodness. Okay. Well, I do see a pretty good deal here for $3. The Fling Gang Flings. the 3-in-1 on sale for $3. That's a good deal. You got the 2-in-1 right here for $5.60. Oh my goodness, y'all, they have the sensors on everything. Wow, they must be stealing this stuff. Oh my goodness, look, all up here. I mean, sensors on everything. Okay. This 2-in-1 Tide right here is $7.80. It's 92 ounces. Okay. You all see anything you like? Okay. Let's ease on. Ease on down the road. I love a good smell, a good smelling house and car. I love my Febreze. Oh yes, love it, love it, love it. You know, guys, they claim that the Air Wicks and Gain, it should last you for so long. Like what they say, like, look, 300 days. Man, that is not true. What are you supposed to put it on? -0? It doesn't work for me. I think it lasts probably 3 weeks. You all let me know how long they last for you all. Okay. Alrighty, well, I don't think we found too much to run home and tell Mama about, but we'll take what we can get. Okay, guys, I don't see anything else that I think you all may be interested in. And if you are, just leave a comment and let me know if there's something else you all want to see, like up in Family Dollar and like Dollar General, because I love these stores. But it's all about you guys, so whatever you all want to see is what I want to show. Okay, well, thank you guys for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one.